Okay, now we got all of our rafters set. Next step, we're gonna spray foam all the kind of the trouble areas. We're definitely gonna spray the remainder of the top of the wall and the transition on the metal roof there, around all the hatches and maybe up around the hub then too. We'll get going on that right now. Alright, I'm here with Gio trying to get this ceiling done. So we've got, of course, framed. We did our spray insulation. Now we're going to put all of our batt insulation in. But before we do that, we got to run our wire for our can lights for the ceiling. Alright, we got our electrical in real fast here. So we'd already pre-wired this and left our switch legs coming out of the top of the wall. We got a front circuit and a back circuit, so we're going to switch them separately. Okay, well, Gio got all of our insulation done. Now we're going to get started on our metal panels. Again, we got 32 panels to cut here, taper shape to fit. We'll be cutting out our light panels as well, so we've got to cut out our templated hole for these recessed can fixtures to mount. Also, you'll see we got to put blocking in for our ceiling. We've got a block at the bottom and then one just above our light fixture, above 48 inches. That way we can keep our panels flat and also support that light fixture. One side down. got all of our metal panels on our roof. So while we got our scaffolding set up, Gio's gonna go ahead and install all of our recessed can lights. We're going to install a 1x4 trim board just to finish off the bottom of our roof metal. So we'll install that first, and that gives us something for our ribs to finish down into. We're going to be using MDF, that way it'll conform to the curve. So it's an MDF 1x4, and it'll get painted to match the wall. Now we got to make our trim. On the aluminum brake, we're going to make something that looks like a rib, and that'll be our parting strip for every single panel. So we'll bend those next and put them up. Okay, well, we got our ceiling all finished. I'm going to show you our ribs that we made and the overall finished product. As you'll see in our skylight tunnel there, we still got to nail a smooth jam on that, and then I got a piece of L flashing that's going to go around and finish that off. We'll do that when we're doing our trim, but other than that, we're done.